This is an unboxing review for Natissy by Nature Reusable Sanitary Pads. This pack contains 7 sanitary pads which include 2 smalls, 2 mediums, 2 large and 1 extra large. The pads are made from organic cotton, with the upper and middle layers being 100% certified organic cotton and the bottom layer being 70% cotton and 30% polyester polyurethane without the use of PVC or formaldehyde. The pack itself is biodegradable, which means you can throw it in with your compost or normal trash and it will break down over time. On the card inside the bag, it has the usage and maintenance instructions for the pads, as well as some info about the company Natissy, which I'll go through now. Usage instructions meant for menstrual periods, postnatal bleeding, or milder urinary incontinence. This sanitary pad is extremely easy to use. After usage, fold the sanitary pad using the snap fastener and put it in a bag. Please change the pad after 2 to 4 hours or as needed. The absorption depends on the size of the pad. Size small is the least absorbent. Size extra large is the most absorbent in the Natissy collection. The pads will reach optimal softness and absorbency only after the 3rd wash. The bottom layer, turned against your underwear, is always the one with the Natissy label. Maintenance. The simplest method of cleaning. Just put the used pad in a washing machine. There is no need to pre-rinse. The dry method. Rinse the used pad under cold water until water runs out clean and then air dry it. Next, wash it in the washing machine. The wet method. Leave the used pad in a bucket of cold water until you wash it with other clothes in a washing machine. Change the cold water daily if the pad is left there for more than a day. Wash the pad before the first use. While washing, use drops of essential oil of lavender. You can wash it with normal washing detergent, but do not use a fabric softener, bleach, acid, and chlorine, or products containing them. Use as little washing powder as possible. It's better to use less washing powder and wash the pads at a high temperature, at 95 centigrade or 203 Fahrenheit long cycle. We recommend washing them using a laundry bag to better protect the seams. After washing, stretch the pad in all 4 directions and dry it in air or in a drying machine. About Natissy. We believe that it is possible to develop products from natural materials without adding toxic ingredients and that can be reused multiple times. The use of such products does not harm women's health and preserves nature at the same time. With the aim of caring for future generations, we have developed an array of natural products for women in personal care and home niche that will improve your life and help protect the environment. It's important to us that our products are all toxic-free and sustainable, even though, in a way, we are stepping back to the traditional way of life from our ancestors. Don't worry, we have added a modern twist. Fill your home with products derived from nature, by nature, with nature in mind. My first impressions of these pads is that they're good quality and seem like they'll be worth the £37 I paid for them. I like the fact that they're plain and are made from organic, natural, and unbleached cotton. Many reusable sanitary pads contain bright colors and vivid patterns such as butterflies and flowers, so I'm glad that I could find something simple that fits in with my preference for the minimalistic aesthetic. I purchased these pads from Amazon, which worked out slightly cheaper than purchasing them from their website. However, I'll include links below to their official website as well as their Amazon marketplace, as they have a range of reusable sanitary pads in different materials and colors at a very affordable price. In fact, their most expensive sanitary pad is probably this one because it's organic, unbleached cotton, but their non-organic cotton and bamboo are much cheaper if that's what you prefer. So that's it for this unboxing review. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please give it a like and drop a comment below. Feel free to check out my 1-month review of using this product if you're interested to see how they work for me.